Did you know that cloves, the aromatic spice commonly used in cooking and baking, are not only a delicious addition to many recipes, but also have many health benefits? In this video, we will explore 10 benefits of cloves that you may not have realized, from their powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects to their ability to promote healthy digestion and boost the immune system. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. This makes them a useful natural remedy for a variety of conditions, including arthritis, gout, and other inflammatory disorders. In fact, research has shown that eugenol can help reduce inflammation in the body by inhibiting the activity of inflammatory enzymes and cytokines. 2. Antioxidant properties. Cloves are also rich in antioxidants, which are essential for protecting the body against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and tissues in the body, leading to chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. The antioxidants found in cloves can help neutralize free radicals and reduce the risk of these conditions. 3. Pain relief. Cloves have analgesic properties, which make them a natural pain reliever. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has been used for centuries to treat toothaches, headaches, and other types of pain. In fact, some studies have even found that clove oil can be just as effective as benzocaine, a commonly used local anesthetic, in reducing pain. 4. Regulating blood sugar levels. Research has shown that cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a valuable tool for managing diabetes. Cloves can improve insulin sensitivity, which can help the body use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. Additionally, the antioxidants found in cloves can help prevent damage to the pancreas, which is responsible for producing insulin. 5. Promoting bone health. Cloves are a rich source of manganese, a mineral that is essential for healthy bone development and maintenance. Manganese helps the body produce collagen, a protein that is vital for bone health. Cloves also contain small amounts of calcium and phosphorus, which are important minerals for strong bones. 6. Boosting the immune system. Cloves have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which make them a powerful tool for boosting the immune system. In fact, research has shown that cloves can be effective against a variety of pathogens, including the flu virus and the herpes virus. Cloves can also stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. 7. Anti-infectious effects. Cloves are also effective at preventing and treating infections in the body. They have been shown to have antibacterial properties, which can help fight off harmful bacteria that cause infections such as pneumonia and bronchitis. Additionally, cloves can help treat fungal infections, such as candida, and yeast infections. 8. Digestive effects. Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues. They can help relieve indigestion, nausea, and flatulence. Cloves also stimulate the production of gastric juices, which can aid in digestion. Some studies have even found that clove oil can help reduce the symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease. 9. Oral health effects. Cloves have antiseptic and anesthetic properties, which make them a useful natural remedy for dental issues. Clove oil has been used to relieve toothaches and prevent dental infections. Cloves can also help freshen breath and prevent dental cavities. In fact, Some toothpastes and mouthwashes contain clove oil as an active ingredient. 10 Relaxing effects. Cloves also have relaxing properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Clove oil contains compounds that can help promote relaxation and reduce tension in the body. This makes them a useful natural remedy for conditions such as insomnia and anxiety. Additionally, some studies have found that the scent of cloves can have a calming effect on the mind, which can help reduce feelings of stress and promote relaxation. As we have seen, cloves are not only a delicious spice but also have many health benefits that are often overlooked. From their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects to their ability to promote healthy digestion and boost the immune system, cloves are a valuable addition to any healthy diet. So the next time you use cloves in your cooking or baking, remember that you are not only adding flavor but also providing your body with valuable nutrients and health benefits.